If you need to view the history of a note in Evernote, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Note history is incredibly useful when you want to check older versions of a note, recover deleted text, or restore something you changed by mistake. So if you use Evernote for work, school, or personal organization, this is a feature you'll definitely want to know about. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Evernote tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the note whose history you want to view. You can do this from your Evernote notebooks, your recent notes, or by searching for the note directly. Once the note is open, look to the top right corner of the note window. There, you'll see the three-dot menu, also called the More Options menu. Click that menu to open the list of additional actions for the note. From the drop-down, select Note History. This is the section where Evernote stores previous versions of that note, depending on your plan and sync history. After clicking Note History, Evernote will show you a list of available versions. These versions may be organized by date and time, so you can identify the one you want more easily. Browse through the list carefully and click on a version to preview it. This lets you compare older content before making any changes to your current note. If you find the version you need, you have a couple of options. You can click Restore if you want that older version to become the current version of the note again. That's especially helpful if you accidentally removed important text or overwrote something you still need. You can also export the version if you want to save a copy outside of Evernote for backup or reference. One important tip to keep in mind is that if you only see the current version in Note History, the note may not have any previous synced versions yet. In that case, don't worry. Edit the note a little, let Evernote sync the changes, and then check the history again later. Over time, more versions should appear as the note is updated and synced. So in summary, to view note history in Evernote, open the note, click the three-dot menu, select Note History, review the available versions, and restore or export one if needed. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of time and stress when you need to recover important information. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Evernote how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.